YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be trying Rihanna's new hair care line, Fenty Hair, on my natural curly hair. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the end of today's video to see the results of my hair. Of course, follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen and then we're going to get straight into the video. So I'm not going to be doing a voiceover for today's video like I would usually do. I'm going to actually talk to you guys. So my hair is freshly washed. I did just wash it and this is how she is looking. I put her in a towel. I don't really use a microfiber towel anymore. I like to use regular towels. I know they say microfiber towels are better for your hair, but well, I just don't listen. So this is how my hair is currently looking, freshly washed. Now, if you do see some stuff in my hair, it's because I did just take off the wig and the glue was, the glue just takes, the glue is a hassle to take out my hair. So if you guys see some little stuff, it's the glue. But I'm gonna go ahead and start off with spraying my hair. Now this is just water, only water, nothing else in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my little brush. Now this is a curl defining brush, but I also use it as a detangler because my hair doesn't really tangle a lot. Like back then, my hair used to tangle so much. Like, y'all, I used to be in the shower, like detangling my hair for like hours. But now, she just detangles easily, so. All right, so now that the water is evenly distributed from the ends to, the roots and everything, my ends are not dry. Nowhere on my hair is dry, which is what I like my hair to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my middle part. Good enough for me. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a tad bit more water, just because I feel like she needs it. And then we're gonna go ahead and open her up. So this is what the box is looking like. Now I planned to get this one right here. It's a curl cream. They had it at Sephora for $25. So I was like, yeah, let me pick that up. And then I saw she had like a duo. So I was like, you know what? Let me get the duo because yeah, I think I need the duo. So this is the first product. It is Fenty Hair, the Homecurl Curl Defining Cream. This is how it looks. I plan to get the bigger version of it, but like I said, y'all, I got the duo. Let me take that out. Okay, so the perfume. This is what it's looking like. And then this is the other product that came with it. This is the comeback kit. It's the damage repair treatment. I only got this because my hair is bleached and bleach equals damage. So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with using the curl defining cream as my base. Now when I usually do my curly hair, I always use one product. I never really do two products. I always do like a cream, a curling cream, and then mousse, if that's it. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna use the repair, and then my mousse, of course. So we're gonna start off with this. So I'm gonna take, oh my God, it's a little bit watery, it's not thick. I'm gonna take it on one side. I'm gonna rake it through, put it through. All right. Now this is meant for curly hair, so hopefully the curls are curling. Oh, it says you're supposed to wash this out. No, I have curly hair. Okay, well, I don't listen. So I'm gonna take about that much. And just put it in my hair. Smells pretty good. I love hair products that smell good, like really bad. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like give it a little shaky shake, and I'm going to scrunch. Should be making that sound. All right. Just like that. Get everything all curled up. And then what I am going to go ahead and do is take my towel, wipe off my hands because I don't like the way it's getting my hand. But I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch it again with the towel. Boom. And now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is basically diffuse my curls. I never like to air dry them anymore because it takes forever. So I'm going to be using my Dyson hair dryer diffuser. It does pop off and pops back on. So I'm going to use it on heat 3, maybe speed 2. No, speed 3, heat 2. I lie, guys. Speed 3, heat 2. And I'm basically going to cut my hair until it starts to form a little bit, and then I'm going to add my mousse midway, and then I flip my hair upside down and then I curl it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry it really quickly, allow you guys to see the actual motions, and then we're gonna fast forward because it takes some time. Alright, so now that my hair is a little bit, you know, dry and it's not really wet, it's more like a little bit damp, more on the dry side. I like to go ahead and take my mousse. So this is the mousse that I use, trust me, any mousse really works. I just got this one. So I'm gonna take a good amount, watch though, and I'm going to scrunch up on my curls. So scrunch up all the way up to the roots. Yup. And then I like to take a little bit more for the roots itself. And then the back. Underneath. And then I'm gonna flip my hair upside down. So I'm gonna be upside down technically, like hands on your knees, like upside down. And I'm going to diffuse it again with a little shaky motion. So let me see if I can show you guys. I'm out of breath. All right, I'm out of breath. It's a little hot. So when my hair is about a good 90% dry, of course y'all see me, I flip my hair back up, fix up my part a little bit. This is how the front of my hair is currently looking. I didn't shake anything out yet, do anything yet. So what I do like to go ahead and do is take my Jamaican Black castor oil, coconut scented, I'm out of breath, can y'all tell? Put some on my fingertips. And then I like to go ahead and basically like put that throughout my scalp and my roots. Now this is to also help promote hair growth, but I do this because my scalp is usually dry all the time, so this kind of, you know, fixes that for me. So basically fluffs out your hair, promotes hair growth, goes up your scalp. All of that in one. But I'm gonna add some of this other oil. Got this one from Sephora. It says OUAR. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it smells super good. Like literally, it smells so good. I get compliments on this all the time. They're like, Asia, your hair smells so good. What's in your hair? And I'm like, girl, this is oil. Like, this hair oil. And then the final thing that I go ahead and do is blow my hair until it's dry without the diffuser. So I'm basically going to do this on a cool setting. I don't really use no heat with this. So I'm gonna be holding down this cool button. And I'm just gonna, y'all are gonna see what I mean. But I'm just gonna basically like blow out my hair until it's dry. So that is going to conclude my curly hair routine while using Fenty Hair. I do think it's a good product. I've definitely tried other products before, and other products definitely have my curls like more defined and just like big and voluminous. But it's okay. Maybe I didn't add enough products. I don't know. I'm gonna test it out a little bit. But as far as my hair came out pretty good. I think day 2 hair, day 3 hair is definitely gonna be bigger, more how I would like it to be. But I think, you know, Rihanna definitely did her thing that my curls are curling. Comment down below if you guys did try the new products or if you do plan to try the new products. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. Follow my social medias if you haven't. And then I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye.